So in today's video, I'm going to give you the Roth Conversion Sweet Spot that many people are using to get more money into their Roth IRA while paying the least amount of tax. Hi, welcome back. Or if I haven't met you yet, then my name is Dave Zoller. And if you're looking for helpful tips related to retirement, then be sure to subscribe. So we both know the advantages of having a tax-free Roth IRA, right? For many of us, we wish that we had a little bit more in the Roth IRAs than we do right now, And if we're thinking about increasing the amount that's in our Roth IRAs, one of the best ways to do it is by converting money from our 401ks or traditional IRAs to Roth. But the big question is, how much should I convert? Because every dollar that you convert from IRA to Roth is taxable that year. So the people that I've been seeing do this successfully, they start by looking at two big gaps in the tax brackets. So I want to make sure that you know about these. The first big gap is the jump between the 12% tax bracket up to the 22% bracket. And then the next big gap is from the 24% bracket up to the 32% bracket. So what does this mean and how can you use it for your benefit? So what I've seen a lot of clients do is they start their evaluation of this Roth conversion idea by looking at these gaps and then asking the question, how much can we convert before we jump into the next tax bracket? Because once you jump into the next tax bracket, then you start paying more tax on every dollar that's converted. So what we've been doing is running a lot of tax projections and then plugging different amounts in to see what the effect would be on your taxes. It's a great way to know what's going to happen before you actually make the decision. And if you're interested, I also made another short video on the best age to convert or do Roth conversions, what we see a lot of clients doing. So I wanted to share that with you, and that's in the description below. So if you're thinking about converting your IRA or 401ks to Roth, talk to your tax or financial advisor, ask them about this Roth Conversion Sweet Spot, and then see what makes the most sense for you. And then look for some helpful tips and links in the description below. So I hope that was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.